Home to almost 2,000 people, our community-owned Galson Estate is a place to be proud of. 56,000 acres of coast, agricultural land and moor in the northwest of the Isle of Lewis, with 22 villages running from Upper Barvas to Port of Ness. The intricate relationship between a crofting lifestyle, a panoramic landscape and a diverse natural environment is integral to the way of life here. The area boasts breathtaking coastal scenery and white sands, special areas of conservation, a variety of bird life, and most importantly, a community that works together to ensure a better future for themselves and future generations. At Urras Oighreachd Ghabhsainn, we endeavour to work together with our community to celebrate all that is special here. We manage all estate business and oversee a range of projects to support and develop our area. South, our annual health and wellbeing programme, offers a range of activities to support people to live a healthy and active life. With subsidised activities, there's something for everyone. Young people are our future. Fun and educational opportunities for children and young people through programmes such as Ploy and our Primary 7 transition programme Shuat means we can help them to thrive here. Galson Estate is home to a rich cultural heritage, and working alongside local organisations, we can showcase this through events such as our Heritage Festival, Duchas, or the opening of the Nadorsan Monument and exhibition. We have so much to celebrate here. Our language, music, environment, culture, food and drink, and people. Our Community Investment Fund has awarded over £600,000 to local organisations, thanks to income generated from our Ballintrishal wind turbines. Now, more than ever, it is crucial to ensure the sustainability and management of our land and support our crofting heritage. We want to welcome visitors to our estate while promoting awareness and understanding of how to respect our land and wildlife. Ar Learsing. Coirsnach a has sadavachal, le jo hianachien, aun se vel sar heravishin, agus gadasan inadal, a clachig storasan nadara, gus kultar agus aring a has soeriche, a yen of shesvach.